Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. In this tutorial we will talk about what is remote file inclusion. RFI is the process of including remote files through the exploitation of vulnerable inclusion procedures implemented in the application. This vulnerability occurs, for example, when a page receives an input and the path to the file that has to be included and the input is not properly sanitized, allowing external URL to be injected. So that by injecting external URL, if you are able to redirect it to that following page, to that injected page, then we will say that we have successfully performed remote file inclusion. It occurs when the web application downloads and executes a remote file. These remote files are usually obtained in the form of HTTP or FTP URI as a user-supplied parameter to the web application. Although most examples point to vulnerable PHP scripts, we should keep that in mind that it is also common in other technologies such as JSP, ASP and others. Now let's see how we can perform RFI in a testing environment. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial.